Good evening, students. So myself, Dr. SReddy, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government City College, and also advisor for the Advith Institute of Mathematics. So I'm going to discuss about differential equation previous year questions from IIT-JAM 2025. So in IIT-JAM 2025 నుంచి మనకు differential equations 9 questions వచ్చాయి. 9 questions వచ్చాయి. ఈ 9 question carries 15 marks. 9 question carries 15 marks. But IIT-JAM 2025 seat రావాలంటే కట్ ఆఫ్ ఎంత? 17.91 అండి for general cases, and for OBCs, sorry, for general 19.9, for OBC 17, and SC ST for 9.5. అంటే మీరు ఒక డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ పర్ఫెక్ట్గా నేర్చుకోగలిగితే ఏదో ఒక ఐఐటీలలో వస్తాయి. ఆర్ అట్లీస్ట్ మీరు ఏదైనా 2 సబ్జెక్ట్స్ నేర్చుకోండి పర్ఫెక్ట్గా. 2 సబ్జెక్ట్స్ నేర్చుకోగలిగితే అందులో ఒకటి ఖచ్చితంగా ఓడి ఉండాలి. అనదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ వెక్టర్ క్యాలిక్యులస్ నేర్చుకోండి, ప్రాబ్లమెటిక్. అండ్ థర్డ్ వన్, ఇఫ్ పాసిబుల్, ఐదర్ ఆల్జీబ్రా ఆర్ రియల్ అనాలిసిస్ ఆర్ ఆల్జీబ్రా, రియల్ అనాలిసిస్ ఆర్ లీనియర్ ఆల్జీబ్రా. ఈ మూడిట్లో ఏదో ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ని ఆప్షనల్గా తీసుకోండి. దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ సీట్ ఇన్ IITs. సో లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఓన్లీ 12,000, అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 12,500 అప్లికేషన్స్ మాత్రమే వచ్చాయి. సో అట్లీస్ట్ ఈసారి అప్లై చేయండి. ఆల్రెడీ నోటిఫికేషన్ వచ్చింది. మేబీ ఆగస్ట్ 14th నుంచి అప్లికేషన్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను అనుకుంటా. సో అప్లై చేయండి ఈసారి అట్లీస్ట్. సో చాలా సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్సే వస్తాయి, కాకపోతే కొంచెం ఫోకస్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయగలం. సో ఈ 9 questions 15 marks క్యారీ చేస్తాయి. ఒకసారి చూడండి క్వశ్చన్స్. Okay, first question is, for which one of the following choice of n of x comma y is the differential equation e power x sin y minus 2y sin x dx plus n of x comma y dy is an exact differential equation అన్నారు, right? So exact కావాలంటే కండిషన్ ఏంటి? If any differential equation of the form m dx plus n dy which is equal to 0 is an exact differential equation if the necessary and sufficient condition ఏంటండి? dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x కావాలి, అవునా? సో therefore m అనేది ఇచ్చింది మనకు. వాట్ ఇస్ m? m is equal to e power x sin y minus 2y sin x, right? సో dou m by dou y చేయండి. Dou m by dou y is equal to, treat x as a constant, right? And differentiate with respect to y only. So e power x is constant, take it out, and differentiation of sin y is cos y minus 2 sin x is constant, take it out, and differentiation of y is equal to 1. So therefore which is equal to e power x cos y minus 2 sin x. So this is dou m by dou y. So which is equal to ఏం కావాలి? dou n by dou x కావాలి. సో dou m by dou y ని ఇంటిగ్రేట్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు y చేయండి, then you will get the answer directly. So dou m by dou, integrate this one with respect to y and treat x as a constant. So dou m by dou y into dy. So which is equal to integration of e power x cos y minus 2 sin x into dy. So treat x as a constant and so integration e power x is constant, take it out, integration of cos y is sin y minus integration of 2 into integration of sin x is cos x. So which is equal to y getting cancels, integral and differentiation getting cancels, then you will get m, sorry, which is also equal to, sorry, manam dou n by dou x kada. So which is equal to dou n by dou x integral value into dx చేస్తున్నాం. సో dx అండి. మనకి n కావాలి కదా. సో therefore dou n by dou x which is equal to integration of e power x cos phi minus 2 sin x into dx, right? So therefore cos phi is constant, take it out, into e power x యొక్క integration is e power x minus 2 into integration of sin x ఏమవుతుంది? sin x, integration of sin x is cos x plus cos x, integration of sin x minus cos x kada, which is equal to plus 2 cos x. So which is equal to e power x cos phi plus 2 cos x. So this is equal to n. Enter the n of x comma y e power x cos phi plus 2 cos x. So option B is the right one, right? లేదా ఇందులో క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, dou n by dou x చేయండి, then equate to dou m by dou y అయితే then that is the solution. So dou n by dou x చేయండి ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ వన్ కి, dou n by dou x equal to e power x cos y plus 2 cos x అంటే minus 2 sin x. So dou n by dou x equal to dou m by dou y అయింది కదా. So therefore option B is the answer. Next one, which one of the following is the general solution of the differential equation d square y by dx square minus 8 dy by dx plus 16y, which is equal to 2 into e power 4x. So what is an auxiliary equation? Auxiliary equation is m square minus 8m plus 16 equal to 0, right? So which can be written as m minus 4 whole square equal to 0, which implies that m is equal to 4 comma 4 is a double root. So double root అయినప్పుడు దాని యొక్క కాంప్లిమెంటరీ సొల్యూషన్ ఏంది? c1 plus c2x into e power 4x. ఇక్కడ alpha 1 alpha 2 అన్నట్టు కాన్స్టెంట్స్, నేను ఇక్కడ c1 c2 రాస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, దెన్ వాట్ ఇస్ దెన్ yp? yp is equal to 1 by d minus 4 whole square రాయొచ్చు, d minus 4 whole square into 2 into e power 4x, which is equal to 2 is constant, take it out, 1 by d minus 4 whole square into e power 4x, right? So 1 by f of d e power ax equal to, if f of a is not equal to 0 అయితే దీని ఫార్ములా ఏంది? 1 by f of a e power ax. ఒకవేళ 0 అయింది అనుకోండి ఉంటే d minus a whole power r e power ax అయితే then x power r by factorial r into e power x, right? So therefore d is equal to 4, substitute చేస్తే 4 minus 4 is 0, double root అవుతుంది. So which is equal to, by using this formula, x square by factorial to e power 4x, right? So 2 getting cancels, then you will get x square into e power 4x. So therefore this is yp. So the general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So which is equal to c1 plus c2x into e power 4x plus x square into e power 4x. So ఏముంది? c1 plus c2x into e power 4x plus x square e power 4x. So option 1. So ఇవన్నీ right? So option A is true, sir. So ఇది 1 mark question, ఇది కూడా 1 mark question. Next one, let psi 0 comma open interval 0 comma infinity to r be the solution of the differential equation, where the differential equation is x into dy by dx, which is equal to log y minus log x into y, and condition is psi of 1 is equal to e square. Then find the value of psi of 2, where psi is the solution of the given differential equation. Avuna? So solution find x into dy by dx. So log a minus log b and log a minus log b, which is equal to log of a by b, right? Log of a by b, so which is equal to log of y by x into y. So x next side తీసుకురండి. So dy by dx, which is equal to y by x into log of y by x, so which is an homogeneous differential equation, first order, right? So for homogeneous differential equation, assume y by x equal to v, or right sir, y is equal to vx. So differentiate this one with respect to x, dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Then substitute these two values into in this, then you will get v plus x into dv by dx, right? dv by dx equal to v into log v. So therefore, which implies x into dv by dx. We need RHS this friend. V common this na v log v minus v aitadi. V into log v minus 1 sir. Now class variable and separable form like this friend, dv by v into log v minus 1, which is equal to dx by x, right? dx by x. Now assume that log v minus 1 is equal to some u anukuntunna. So then differentiate 1 by v into dv is equal to du sir. So already 1 by v undi. 1 by v dv is equal to du. So that means du by u, which is equal to dx by x. So therefore integrate on both sides, then you will get log u is equal to log x plus log c, where c is constant, so which is equal to log of cx. Then the solution is u is equal to cx, right? But u is equal to, what is u? U is equal to this one, log v minus 1. Therefore log v minus 1 is equal to cx. So log v is equal to cx plus 1, where v is equal to y by x. Therefore then ఇంకేం రాయొచ్చు, take anti-log, then v is equal to e power cx plus 1, right? So therefore v is equal to y by x, so y is equal to x into antena e power cx plus 1. So which is the general solution. So now we need to find what is psi of 1 is equal to e square, and substitute x equal to 1, y is equal to e square. So therefore e square is equal to 1 into e power c into 1 plus 1, so which is equal to e power c plus 1. So these two are equivalent, then c plus 1 is equal to 2, then c is equal to 1. So therefore y is equal to x into e power x plus 1 is the general solution, right? So now we need to find psi of 2. Substitute x is equal to 2. So therefore y is equal to 2 into e power 2 plus 1, which is equal to e power 2 plus 1, 2 into e cube. So the answer, so 2 e cube. So option B. So ఇది 2 marks వచ్చింది sir. Next one, let psi r2 r be the solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to y minus 1 into y minus 3, psi of 0 is equal to 2, and psi of 0 is equal to 2. అయితే then which one of the following is true అన్నాడు. Limit x goes to infinity, psi of x is 0. Limit x goes to ln of root 2, psi of x is equal to 1. Limit x goes to minus infinity, psi of x is equal to 3. Limit x goes to ln of 1 by root 2, psi of x equal to 6. ఇది కూడా 2 marks కే వచ్చింది. So therefore variable and separable form లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. So dy by y minus 1 into y minus 3 is equal to dx. So therefore దీని partial fraction గా డివైడ్ చేయండి. 1 by y minus 1 into y minus 3, which is equal to a by y minus 1 plus b by y minus 3 గా రాస్తున్నాం. సో నేను డైరెక్ట్ రాస్తున్నానండి a and b values. So where a is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus b is equal to plus 1 by 2 by y minus 3 వస్తుంది. So therefore this value is equal to 1 by 2 కామన్ తీయండి, minus 1 by y minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 3 into dy equal to dx. So integrate on both sides, then you will get 1 by 2 into minus of log of y minus 1 plus log of y minus 3, right? So which is equal to x plus c, which is equal to x plus c. So 2 needs right side తీసుకురండి, which is equal to log a minus log b అంటే log of I minus 3 by y minus 1, which is equal to 2x plus 2c is another constant. So 2x plus c and where c is equal to, this is c dash, 2c dash. So which is equal to y minus 3 by y minus 1 equal to e power 2x into e power c is another constant, then a and where a is equal to e power c. So which is the solution? So y minus 3 is equal to, so now find the value of a. ఏమిచ్చింది మనకు y of 0, y of 0 and y of 0 and both are same. Y of 0 is equal to 2. Substitute x equal to 0, then y is equal to 2 and so that means 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 equal to e power 0 into a. E power 0 is equal to 1. So therefore a is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by plus 1, which is equal to minus 1. So therefore y minus 3 is equal to y minus 1 into a is equal to minus 1. So minus of e power 2x. So minus of e power 2x అంటే ఏమవుతుంది, మైనస్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. సో e power 2x minus y into e power 2x. సో దీన్ని ఇటు సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తున్న వైలన్నీ ఒక దగ్గర తీసుకురండి. సో ఇటు సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే 1 plus e power 2x into y, which is equal to e power 2x plus 3l, right? So therefore y is equal to e power 2x plus 3 by e power 2x plus 1 out. This is right. So now we need to find limit x goes to infinity. So this is y is nothing but psi of x. Solution kada. So therefore limit x goes to infinity psi of x, which is equal to limit x goes to infinity e power 2x plus 3 by e power 2x plus 1. So direct apply చేస్తే e power infinity ఏమవుతుంది, ఇన్ఫినిటీ e power infinity by infinity ఫామ్ వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి e power 2x ని కామన్ తీయండి. 1 plus 3 into e power minus 2x అంటే 1 by e power 2x equal to e power minus 2x అవుతుంది. So take e power 2x common here. So 1 plus e power minus 2x. So this one getting cancelled, then apply the limit x goes to infinity. Whenever x goes to infinity, e power minus 2x goes to 0. So that means 1 plus 0 by 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1. So మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చింది ఇక్కడ 0 అన్నాడు, కాబట్టి this is wrong, right? And x goes to ln of root 2 అన్నాడు. x goes to ln of root 2 అంటే limit x goes to ln of root 2 psi of x, which is equal to limit x goes to log of root అంటే log of 2 power 1 by 2 అంటే 1 by 2 log 2, right? లేదా ln of root 2 రాయండి. ln of root 2 e power 2x plus 3 by e power 2x plus 1. So substitute చేయండి, e power 2 into ln of root 2 plus 3 by e power 2 into ln of root 2 plus 1. So e power 2 into so n into log x ఏమవుతుంది, log x whole power n, sir. So root 2 whole square అంటే 2. So e power ln of 2, e power f of x to the base e is equal to 2 నే కదా. So e power log of f of x to the base e is equal to f of x. By using this formula, e power ln of 2 is equal to 2. So that means 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 5 by 3. So ఇది 5 by 3 కాదు, right? Next one, limit x goes to minus infinity psi of x. So ఇది limit x goes to infinity అనండి. సో ఇక్కడ లిమిట్ x goes to minus infinity అయితే ఇదేమవుతుంది, e power minus infinity. So e power minus infinity equal to 0. That means 0 plus 3 by 0 plus 1. So which is equal to 3 by 1 equal to 3. So therefore option C is correct one. You can check option C is also wrong. So option B prakaram cheyandi, then you will get option D is also wrong. So therefore option C is the correct one. Next one. So if mu into mdx plus mu into ndy is equal to dw, where m and mu w are continuous partial derivatives, then which one of the following is true? Simple ga cheppalante mu m into dx plus mu n dy is equal to dw. So exact differential equation definition and an equation of the form mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 is said to be an exact differential equation if there exists a function w of x comma y such that mdx plus ndy which is equal to d into w. Then we can say that the differential equation mdx plus ndy is an exact differential equation. Okay. Well, exact then we can multiply with integrating factor and convert that non-exact differential equation to exact. So here already the exact mu anedi integrating factor avutundi. Enduku multiply chesina, then the given differential equation is exact. Aithe mu into w is an integrating factor annaru. Suppose if mu is an integrating factor for any differential equation, then mu into some function of x comma y ఏదైనా కావచ్చు is also an integrating factor. Therefore this one both are true. లేదా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. m ఇక్కడ mu కామన్ తీయండి, mu into mdx plus ndy which is equal to dw కదా, which is equal to mdx plus ndy is equal to dw by mu. So మనకి ఏమంటుంది, mu w is an integrating factor అంటుంది. Then multiply with mu w on both sides. So mu w into mdx plus ndy, so which is equal to mu w into dw by mu. So here mu getting cancels. W into dw can be written as 1 by 2 into d of w square. So therefore this one w square is an exact. So therefore mu w mdx plus ndy is equal, there exists a function w square by 2 such that mu w mdx plus mu n dy is equal to d of w square by 2. So it is an exact differential equation. Therefore it is a integrating factor. Similarly b is also integrating factor. And what about option C? So w name antundu w of x comma y is equal to w of 0 comma 0 plus integration of 0 to x mu m of s comma 0. So ఇక్కడ y is equal to 0 అంటుంది into ds plus integration from 0 to y mu n of x is fixed one with respect to t ని ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేస్తుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ y చేంజెస్ అవుతుంది, x is fixed. And option D. So if any differential equation is exact అయింది అనుకోండి, then the integral value మనం dw find out చేయమంటుండు from 0 comma 0 to x comma y, right? So dw, where dw is an exact differential equation. So therefore if it is an exact differential equation, then the integral is depending on n points, not on the path. ఇది ఏమంటుంది, ఇది ఆరిజిన్ 0 comma 0, ఇది x comma y. సో ఈ w ని ఈ పాయింట్ నుంచి ఈ పాయింట్ లైన్ ఇంటెగ్రల్ చేయమంటుంది, రైట్? సో ఇఫ్ w is an exact differential integrable, కాబట్టి the integrable function is not depending continuous also, w is continuous. So therefore the integral value is depending on n points, not on the path. కాబట్టి నువ్వు ఏ పాత్ లో ఇంటెగ్రల్ చేసినా the integral value సేమ్ వస్తుంది. ఇలా తీసుకున్నా the integral value is also same. సో కాబట్టి నేను ఇలా తీసుకుంటున్నా. సో 0 ఇది o అనండి, ఇది a, ఇది b అంటున్నా. ఓకే, అలాంగ్. సో therefore the integral along AB, that means 0, 0 to x, y. So that means this one, dw is equal to integral along OA. This is OA and along AB, sir. So integral along AB dw plus integral along BA, sorry, this is OA kada, OA along AB into dw. The line integral application. So therefore, along OA ante 0 to a madhyana x ఏమవుతుంది, x changes అవుతుంది 0 to ఇదేంటి ఈ పాయింట్ ఏంది x, 0, ఇది x, y, x changes అవుతుంది ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడికి 0 to x changes varies from 0 to x, y అనేది ఏమవుతుంది y is equal to 0 on this axis, right? So y is equal, whenever y is equal to 0, dy is also equal to 0. But what is dw? dw is equal to ఏమవుతుంది mdx plus mu m dx plus mu n dy కదా. Then substitute it, dy is equal to 0 అంటే ఇది totally 0, mu n dx and so therefore which is equal to integration of 0, 0 to x, y dw, which is equal to integration of OA అంటే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ x అనేది ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది 0 to x. సో 0 to x mu into m of ఏం చేస్తున్నాం s అనేది వేరియబుల్ వేర్ s is lies between 0 to x. సో ఇది వేరియబుల్ x s గా తీసుకుంటున్నా and y is equal to 0, substitute 0 into ds. So this integration is along OA and along AB పైన along AB అంటే x is x, ఇక దీని యొక్క కోఆర్డినేట్స్ ఏంది ఇది x is equal to x line ఇది, right? ఇది x line. So therefore x is constant from this point to this point and y changes from 0 to y. So దీని ఈ వేరియబుల్ ని t అంటాం, t changes from 0 to y and x is constant, right? So therefore x equal to x, so x is a constant value, then dx is equal to 0, right? So therefore dw is equal to mu m dx plus mu n dy. So dx equal to 0 అంటే ఇది totally 0. So this one is ఇది ఒకటే ఉంటుంది. So therefore plus along AB అంటే integration from 0 to y mu n into x is constant and y changes అవుతుంది ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడికి 0 to y. So mu of x comma t dt. But integration of this one in the integral and differentiation getting cancels, then this value is equal to w limits from 0, 0 to x, y. So which is equal to upper limit w of x, y minus w of 0, 0, which is equal to this one. So integration of 0 to x mu m of s, 0 into ds plus integration of 0 to y mu n of x, t into dt. So therefore ఇది కరెక్ట్ కదా, 0 to x mu m of s, 0 ds, 0 to y mu n of x, t. So therefore this is also true, this one true, this one. So a b c are true, sir. So but option d is false, option d is not true, sir. ఎందుకు దీని యొక్క ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to x ఉంది, 0 to x ఉంది. సో ఇలా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఈ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఏం చూపిస్తుంది, ఇది x ఈక్వల్ 0, సార్. x ఈక్వల్ 0 అంటే y యాక్సిస్. సో ఇది ఏంటి ఇంటిగ్రల్ వాల్యూ 0 to ఇదేంటి ఈ పాయింట్ ఏంటి y. సో ద ఇంటిగ్రల్ చేంజెస్ ఫ్రమ్ 0 to y ఉండాలి, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏముంది 0 to x ఉంది. సో therefore it is not true. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఇది కూడా 2 మార్క్స్ వచ్చిందండి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సపోజ్ వీలైతే ఇది మీరు సాల్వ్ చేయండి సార్, ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్, లైబ్నిజ్ ఫార్ములా ఉంది. సో 1/√5తో డివైడ్ చేసి దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ psi is unbounded and psi of x is equal to 2e minus 1 whole square and this one is false. ఇది ట్రూ కాబట్టి ఇది ఫాల్స్ ఆటోమేటికల్. సో ఈ మూడు కరెక్ట్ అవుతాయి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఇది కూడా 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ అనుకుంటా. ఇది సో ఏమన్నాడు, 4d2y/dx² plus 16 dy by dx plus 25y is equal to 0. And psi of 0 is equal to 1. Psi dash of 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2 అన్నది. Then evaluate this value. ఇది NAT questions, numerical answer type questions ఇవి. So what is an auxiliary equation? Auxiliary equation ఏంటి? m square, sorry, 4m square plus 16m plus 25 is equal to 0 కదా. So therefore what is m? ఇది quadratic function కాబట్టి then minus 16 plus or minus 16 square. 16 square అంటే 256 minus 4 into a into b, where a is equal to 4, b is equal to 25. 4 into 25 is 100. So 4 into 100 all divided by 2 into a, 2 into 4. So which is equal to minus 16 plus or minus 256 minus 400 divided by 8. So which is equal to minus 16 plus or minus under root of 400 minus 256, 144. So minus 144 divided by 8. So which is equal to minus 16 plus or minus 12i by 8. So 4 to cancel aitadiga. 4 to cancel aithe minus 4 plus 3 plus or minus 3i by 2. ఇంకా రాయాలంటే minus 2 plus or minus 3 by 2i రాయొచ్చుగా. So this is m. So ఇది కాంప్లెక్స్ రూట్స్ కాబట్టి then solution is equal to e power, real part ఏముంది, e power minus 2x into c1 cos 3 by 2x plus c2 sin 3 by 2x. మనకి ఇంకేమి ఇచ్చింది, psi of 0 is equal to 1 అన్నాడు. psi of 0 is equal to 1 అంటే substitute x equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to e power minus 2x, right? E power minus 2x, sorry, 2 into 0 అంటే 1. c1 into cos 0 is equal to 1, c1 plus c2 into sin 0 is 0. So which is equal to c1 is equal to 1. So next psi dash of 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2 అన్నాడు. So what is y dash? So దీన్ని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తే minus 2 into e power minus 2x into ఈ సేమ్ ఫంక్షన్ వస్తుంది ప్లస్ e power minus 2x into దీని డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ cos 3 by 2x ఏమవుతుంది, minus 3c1 by 2 sin x sin 3 by 2x plus sin 3 by 2 అంటే 3 by 2 c2 cos 3 by 2x, right? Then substitute x equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into e power minus e power 0 అంటే minus 2 into ఇదేంటి మొత్తం ఈ ఫంక్షన్ కాబట్టి substitute x equal to 0 అంటే c1 plus c2 is 0, but c1 is equal to ఏమొచ్చింది, 1 వచ్చింది, 1 plus 0 plus e power 0 అంటే 1 minus 3 by 2, నేను డైరెక్ట్ c1 వాల్యూ రాస్తున్నా, minus 3 by 2 into sin 0 is 0 into 0 plus 3 by 2 into c2 cos 0 is 1, right? So which is equal to minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 2 plus 3 by 2 c2. So the inside తీసుకెళ్తే plus 2 అవుతుంది, 2 minus 1 by 2 ఎంత, 4 minus 1 by 2 అంటే 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 c2, getting cancels, c2 is also equal to 1, c1 is also equal to 1. So therefore c1 c2 is equal to 1 అంటే then the solution is y is equal to e power minus 2x cos 3 by 2x plus sin 3 by 2x, right? So మనకి ఏం కావాలి, లిమిట్ x goes to pi by 6 into e power 2x, దీన్ని e power 2x మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, e power 2x into e power 2x, ఇది e power minus 2x, ఇది e power 2x, e power 0 అంటే 1 అవుతుంది. So now apply the limit x goes to pi by 6. So limit x goes to pi by 6 of y of x, which is equal to limit x goes to pi by 6 cos 3 by 2 x plus sine 3 by 2 x. Substitute x equal to pi by 6. ఇదేమవుతుంది cos 3 by 2 into pi by 6 అంటే 3 pi by 6 sorry 3 pi by 12 plus sine 3 pi by 2. So 3 by 12 అంటే 1 by 4 కదా. So cos pi by 4 plus sine pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2. Sine pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. So 2 by root 2 is nothing but root 2, sir. So root 2 is equal to 1.414. So this is numerical type answer kabatti round off to 2 decimal places. So the answer is which is equal to 1.414. So meeku 2 decimal places ante meeku 1.412 to 1.416 ఈ మధ్యలో ఏ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చినా కరెక్టే ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఏమిటంటే x square into dy by dx square minus x dy by dx plus y equal to 6x into log x. ఇది యూలర్ ఈక్వేషన్ కదా. సో మీరు ఏమనుకుంటారు x is equal to e power z and z is equal to log x అనుకుంటే దెన్ x square into d square ఫార్మ్ అయింది. x square into d square equal to మీరు theta అనుక తీసుకోండి, theta into theta minus 1 where theta is equal to d by dz and x into d is equal to theta. Substitute all these values into in this, then you will get theta into theta minus 1 minus theta plus 1 into y, right, into y is equal to 6 into where x equal to e power z into log x equal to z. ఈ differential equation ki convert అయింది. So which is equal to theta square minus theta ఏమవుతుంది theta 2 theta plus 1 into y is equal to 6z into e power z. So therefore దీని బట్టి yc ఏంటి, yc is equal to ఇదేంటి m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0, m minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So m is equal to 1 comma 1 అంటే c1 plus c2z into e power z is yc. And what is yp? Yp is equal to 1 by theta minus 1 whole square into 6z into e power z. So which is equal to మనం e power ax into v ఉంటే ఏంటి 1 by f of d ఫార్ములా ఏంటండి 1 by e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v కదా. సో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ వస్తుందా అలా d plus a కదా. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ theta is equal to theta plus 1 వస్తుంది కదా. సో this is equal to 6 into e power z theta plus 1 minus 1 whole square into z. So which is equal to minus 1 plus 1 getting cancels, 6 e power z by theta square into z. So 1 by theta ante integration kada, 6 e power z into 1 by theta into 1 by theta z ante integration of z. Integration of z is equal to z square by 2 and 1 by theta into z square by 2 ante malli integrate cheyandi, then you will get z cube by 2 into 3 ante 6. So therefore which is equal to 6 e power z into z square by 6 getting cancels, z square into e power z, sorry z cube kada, z cube. So therefore the general solution y is equal to c1 plus c2z into e power z plus ఇది z cube into z cube into e power z, z cube into e power z. సో మనకి ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్స్ ఏంటి, దెన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ z equal to log x, e power z equal to x. So y is equal to c1 plus c2 log x into x plus log x whole cube into x. So which is the required solution. So now substitute the boundary condition. Psi of 1 is equal to minus 3 అన్నాడు. సో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ x ఈక్వల్ టు 1 అయితే y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎంత -3 అన్నాడు. c1 ప్లస్ log 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. c1 ప్లస్ 0 ఇంటూ x ఈక్వల్ 0నా 1 కదా ఇంటూ 1 ప్లస్ ఇది 0 క్యూబ్ అంటే ఇది 0 అయిపోతుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ c1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -3. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమి ఇచ్చింది ఇంకా psi of e అన్నాడు. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు e దెన్ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో therefore 0 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు c1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -3. నేను సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసేస్తున్నా ఇక్కడ. సో -3 ప్లస్ c2 ఇంటూ log e వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 కదా ఇంటూ e ప్లస్ log e ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. సో 1 క్యూబ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 ఇంటూ e. సో విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -3 ప్లస్ c2e ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ప్లస్ e. సారీ అంతేనా, ఎక్కడ మిస్ అయిందా? psi of e is equal to 0 -3 plus c2 into e plus e కదా. సో -3e plus e సారీ ఇదేమవుతుంది -3e plus c2e plus e is equal to 0. సో c2e is equal to ఇది -2e కదా, రైట్ సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్తే 2e అవుతుంది. e getting cancelled, then c2 is equal to 2. Therefore y is equal to -3 plus 2 log x, right, into x plus x into log x whole cube. కానీ మనకి ఏం కావాలన్నాడు psi prime of 1 అన్నాడు. psi prime of 1 అంటే దీన్ని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయండి y prime. సో అప్లై u into v ఫార్ములా. ఫస్ట్ x ని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది -3 plus 2 log x కదా ప్లస్ ఇంటూ 1 ప్లస్ x ఇంటూ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ -3 0 2 ఇంటూ log x యొక్క డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ 1/x అంటే 2/x ప్లస్ ఇది కూడా u ఇంటూ v ఫార్ములానే. x ని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తే 1 ఇంటూ log x హోల్ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ x ఇంటూ log x హోల్ క్యూబ్ అయితే 3 ఇంటూ log x హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ log x is 1/x. So this one getting cancels, this one getting cancelled. Then substitute x is equal to 1. x is equal to 1 అయితే then we need to find y prime of 1 కదా. సో -3 plus 2 log 1 అంటే 0, log 1 అంటే 0. సో 0 plus 2 x into x getting cancels, ఇది constant 2 plus log 1 is 0 plus 3 into log x whole square అంటే ఇది కూడా log 1 is 0, ఇది 0 ఇది 0. సో therefore -3 plus 2 is equal to -1. కానీ ఇక్కడ మాడ్యులస్ అడిగిందా, mod of psi prime of 1 మాడ్యులస్ అడిగింది కాబట్టి then modulus of y prime of 1 equal to mod of -1, which is equal to +1. Okay, next one, is the last question. And next one is dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to 2 plus 4x square. ఇదేం ఈక్వేషన్, లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇన్ y కదా. ఏ ఫార్ములా ఉంటుంది లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్, dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. సో దీని యొక్క ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏంటి, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ e పవర్ p of x dx, and the general solution is y into integrating factor, which is equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c, right? So therefore what is an if equal to e power integration of p. What is p here, p is equal to 2x, right? So 2x dx, which is equal to e power 2 by the integration of x ante x square by 2, 2 getting cancels, e power x square. Next one, the general solution is y into e power x square, which is equal to integration of q, where q is equal to 2 plus 4x square into e power integration factor e power x square dx plus c. Right? So which is equal to, కానీ ఇది చూడండి 2 plus 4x square into e power x square into dx అన్నాడు. దీని ఏమని రాయొచ్చు? into dx. So which can be written as d of x into e power x square రాయొచ్చా? 2x into differentiation of 2x into e power 2x square different u into v apply చేయండి. 2 into differentiation of x is 1 into e power x square plus 2x into differentiation of e power x square is e power x square into inner derivative is 2x. So which is equal to 2 e power x square plus ఇక్కడ 2x 2 బయటికి రాసిన కదా 2x into 2x అంటే 4x square, right, into e power x square into dx. అవునా? So therefore 2 plus 4x square into e power x. So therefore integration of d of 2x into e power x square, right, plus c. So therefore this value is equal to 2x into e power x square plus c. So this is y into e power x square. So e power x square to divide in both sides. Y is equal to 2x plus c into e power minus x square. మనకి ఏమని ఇచ్చిండు? psi of 0 is equal to 0 అన్నాడు. Substitute x equal to 0. So therefore 0 is equal to 2 into 0. The c into e power minus 0 is e power 0. That means c should be 0. So that means y is equal to 2x is the general solution. Y is equal to 2x is the general solution. So then we need to find psi of 2 అన్నాడు. So therefore that means y of 2. Y of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So therefore y of 2 is equal to 4. ఇది కూడా న్యూమరికల్ ఆన్సర్ టైప్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి 2 డెసిమల్ ప్లేసెస్ వరకు అటు ఇటు ఇస్తుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ 3.8 to 4.2 వరకు రేంజ్ ఉన్న ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్ వేస్తుంది. సో ఇది కూడా 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ది క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ IIT-JAM 2025. చాలా సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్సే. సో ఫ్రమ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ ఎవ్రీ వీక్ మీకు IIT-JAM క్వశ్చన్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తానండి. సో అప్లోడ్ చేయాలంటే కైండ్లీ do subscribe, watch and share, and if you have any doubts, comment in the videos. Thank you.